Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to find the task center on Bigo Live. As you can see right now, I'm on Bigo Live's homepage, and at the bottom you can see 5 icons: home, explore, the middle one is for you to go live, community, and me. Now, to find the task center, we have to click on the icon me that is at the bottom right corner. And as you can see here, we have a lot of options: messages, wallets, item bag, my post, and task center. So task center is right under my post. We're gonna click on that. And here you have your check-in, your live pass, your task, and your diamond mission. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.